Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get the sahur Bombay dance AR filter on TikTok. Okay, I'm talking about this effect. Okay, to get this effect, what you can do, just go to your effect gallery. Okay, I have already saved it to my favorite. To get this effect, what you can do, just go to search and search for sahur. Okay, the first one, sahur Bombay dance AR, just tap on it. Okay, and you got the filter. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery, what you can do, just go to your For You page and here search for sahur Bombay dance AR filter. Okay, here you will see many videos with this effect. Okay, lots of videos are there. Many of them are with CapCut, so look for something like this. Okay, as you can see on the bottom left corner of the video, the effect icon is there, it's in yellow, just tap there. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page. From here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect, just tap there. Okay, and you can place sahur wherever you want and start recording. Okay, so that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.